Hello all, and very big question from students community, mainly from anthropology students community. Sir, what are the book lists? I will give you the book list for preparation of anthropology. For anthropology paper 1, you have to take Ember and Ember, Skupin. Socio-culture anthropology, you have to take Madan Majumdar. For anthropological thought, you have to take Bhattacharya book. And for physical anthropology, you have to take Sharma and Sharma book. These are the books only for paper 1. And coming to paper 2, Indian archaeology of D.K. Bhattacharya you have to take. And Indian society, you have to take the book of Guha. For tribal India, you have to take the book of Nadim Hasnain. So in this way, several books you have to read. Apart from it, you should also read Virginius Zaxa committee recommendations. Various committees constituted by the government of India and their recommendations you have to do in paper 2. These are all the books which you have to read or follow in your anthropology optional. But for you, me, as a head of the content development for anthropology with a team of strong anthropology scholars, research scholars, senior faculty as well as senior students, we came up with a book for paper 1 and paper 2. This is anthropology paper 1 and paper 2, and you can see the reviews also of all the toppers who read these books in backside. And in this, we have 2 books for paper 1 and for paper 2. I will show you. This is book for paper 1. Complete syllabus of anthropology has been covered with lot of examples. So, in all these books, what are all the content is available? In all these books, what are all the content is available? We had compiled it. I am telling you, I didn't create it. I compiled it into 2 books, paper 1 and paper 2. If you read these 2 books, and if you go with the previous year's questions, here there are previous year's questions also in this book, finish. Your anthropology preparation is completed. And if you join our classes and we will be doing all the previous year's questions in the classroom as well. So these 2 books are enough for your anthropology preparation. And we are going to start our anthropology new batch from June 12th, 2023. Thank you. Jai Hind.